carry go put them on the plate. And this is what I do. But as I say, I'm going to put some in a little side dish so you can always have that. And check on the check on the something there. You see what I'm doing? Look. So when you put that in and just do so now, it come right out. You see that? That come out good. Ooh, it's hot. See that? Two pieces of and put the steak right there. So the steak right there. Then we're going to get, let me come over, I'll come back. Then I'm going to so what I've done, I have added the peppers and the onions on top. So you can see. So that's the steak right there. Let's add some gravy there. We add a piece of plantain there. Piece of plantain here. Plantain there. Hold on. Tomato, we got the cucumber, and we need a pot for the lettuce now. Let's put the cucumber on there. G, come. G. I'm going to put a little bit more rice on the and then you see what the rings of steel there. Vero, here's your dinner. So at the side, let me screenshot this. So at the side is the sweet pepper, you got the cucumber, got the tomato. You probably need another. You got 3 pieces of fried plantain, steak with the onion and the pepper on top. So I'm just going to get knife and fork now, and that's a good dinner to go. So taking in is Dinner is served. I'll bring more rice